Hi, I am Abhijaya, an educator on Unacademy. You can follow me on Unacademy by downloading the Unacademy Learning app, where you can find my other courses as well. This video is going to be about some expressions which you can use when you go to the bank. So please rate, review and share this video. Also, do not forget to subscribe to our Unacademy YouTube channel. The subscribe button is just below. So our lesson is titled At the Bank, and you're watching the second part with me, Abhijaya. This is the link to my Unacademy profile, so you can go to this link to watch my other courses as well as follow me on Unacademy. If you like this video, then please do rate, review, recommend and share it. Now in this lesson, we are going to cover some more expressions which can be used at the bank. So let's start our lesson. Let's look at the first expression, which is, where is the nearest ATM? So this is a question you can pose to the bank officials when you want to inquire about the nearest ATM or the ATM that is closest to, say, your office or your house. So when you want to know this, you can ask, where is the nearest ATM? The next is, what is the interest rate on this account? So let's consider a situation. Say you want to open a savings account, and there are several things you consider before opening one, right? Basically, what we usually do is we open an account in the same bank as our parents, because it's a trusted bank and our parents have known the bank officials for a long time. But say you don't want to do that and you want to do your own research and open a savings account in a bank that you like or is close to you, or a bank that you feel has more benefits for you. Then, while making the decision of what bank to choose, you have to consider the interest rate on the savings account that they provide, right? This is the most important feature that you must consider while opening a savings account. So you can go to the bank and inquire about the interest rate on the account before opening it, right? So you can ask, what is the interest rate on this account? Next is, what is the current interest rate for personal loans? So over here you are inquiring about the interest rate for loans, that is personal type of loans. So you can ask this question to the bank officials, that is the interest rate they provide if you take a personal loan in this bank. Next is, I've lost my bank passbook. What is the procedure to issue a new one? So say you lose your bank passbook, like what has happened over here, and you're just telling the bank official that you've lost your bank passbook and you're asking them the procedure to issue a new one. So the bank official will give you some forms to fill out, and voila, you have your bank passbook. Next is, I want to report a stolen credit or debit card. So if your uh, credit or debit card gets stolen, you can rush to the bank and say this to a bank official that I want to report a stolen credit or debit card, and the bank official will ask you for the details. You will tell them your card number and other details and quickly have it blocked. We can also do it over phone nowadays, but this is another important expression that you can use at the bank. The next is, I'd like to notify the bank about a change of address. So say you shift from your old house to your new house, that is a new apartment, and you want to notify the bank about this change of address. So you can say that I'd like to notify the bank about a change of address, and they'll give you some forms to fill, and you can uh, notify them about it, right? Next is, I've forgotten my internet banking password. I've forgotten the PIN for my card. Can you please explain the procedure to reset it? So over here, since our generation is of online transactions, we want everything to be done quickly and through the internet. This might happen to us. So if you forget your internet banking password or your PIN, you can use these expressions that I've forgotten my internet banking password or I've forgotten the PIN for my card. And you're asking the bank officials, Can you please explain the procedure to reset it? So over here you're being polite and asking them the procedure to reset your password or the PIN, and the bank officials will tell you that maybe go on this website or go to the ATM and get it changed quickly. Next is, could I make an appointment to see the manager or a financial advisor? So if you want some advice on your finances or on your current financial situation, then you can ask this question at a bank. You're just asking a general official that you're asking them if you can see the manager or a financial advisor. So you're asking if you require an appointment for that, and if you do, you can take an appointment and see the manager or a financial advisor. Next is, I want to inquire about home or education loans. Whom can I talk to? So again over here you're asking the general official that you want to inquire about home or education loans, and you're asking them whom or who is the right person to talk to about this. So if you want a home or education loan, you can, and you don't know the person that you have to talk to in order to get one or find out more about the loan, then you can ask this question. And the last one is, I'd like to speak to someone about a mortgage. So again, it's similar that you want to know more about a mortgage, that is, inquire about a mortgage. So this is a different way of uh, asking someone that you want to speak to someone about a mortgage. So with this we come to the end of our lesson. I hope you all liked this lesson, and thank you for watching it. For any questions, suggestions, doubts, please mention those in the comment section. I'm here to help you all. So through the comment section I can know where you find a problem in English and probably suggest some solution to it. So please comment in the comment section and practice these expressions that we are learning in our day-to-day lives. Of course, we don't go to the bank every day, but different situations that we've discussed in this lesson, you can use these expressions and sharpen your English communication skills. So please do that, and if you like this lesson, do not forget to rate, review, recommend and share it. This course has incredible lessons that I've included, which are about expressions that you can use in day-to-day situations, that is at the movies or at the bank or if you're taking the bus or if you're at the airport. So please keep practicing and use these expressions whenever possible. So stay tuned for more. Bye.